The world of high-performance tractors is evolving, and one name that stands out in 2025 is the brand new Massey Ferguson 9S425. This cutting-edge machine is a true game-changer for farmers and agricultural professionals who demand power, efficiency, and innovation. With an impressive 425 horsepower under the hood, this tractor is designed to handle the toughest farming conditions with ease. Whether it's plowing fields, hauling heavy loads, or operating complex machinery, the 9S425 delivers the performance needed to boost productivity while maintaining fuel efficiency. One of the most striking features of the 2025 Massey Ferguson 9S425 is its advanced engine technology. Equipped with a powerful 6-cylinder AGCO Power engine, this tractor is built for endurance and maximum torque output. The fuel efficiency of this machine has been significantly improved thanks to state-of-the-art emission control systems and an optimized combustion process. Farmers can now cover more ground without worrying about excessive fuel consumption, making it an ideal choice for large-scale agricultural operations. Beyond raw power, the Massey Ferguson 9S425 introduces a next-generation transmission system. The Dyna-VT continuously variable transmission (CVT) allows for seamless acceleration and speed control, giving operators the flexibility to adjust to different terrains and working conditions. This smooth and efficient transmission minimizes gear shifts, reducing wear and tear while enhancing overall performance. Whether working on soft soil, rough landscapes, or wet fields, this tractor ensures a stable and controlled drive. The cabin of the 9S425 is designed with comfort and technology in mind. Featuring an ultra-modern, air-conditioned cab with ergonomic seating and a user-friendly control panel, operators can work long hours without fatigue. The tractor is equipped with a state-of-the-art touchscreen display that provides real-time data on fuel efficiency, engine performance, GPS navigation, and automated farming functions. The intuitive control system allows farmers to operate the tractor with precision, reducing the effort needed to manage complex tasks. One of the biggest highlights of the Massey Ferguson 9S425 is its advanced automation and connectivity features. The integration of smart farming technology makes this tractor a valuable asset for modern agriculture. It supports GPS-guided auto steering, allowing farmers to achieve pinpoint accuracy when planting, fertilizing, or harvesting crops. The machine also offers remote monitoring capabilities, enabling farm managers to track performance metrics and diagnostics from a smartphone or computer. This level of automation significantly improves efficiency while reducing operational costs. Durability and reliability are key factors in any farming equipment, and the Massey Ferguson 9S425 is built to withstand years of rigorous use. The robust chassis, reinforced axles, and heavy-duty tires ensure maximum stability and strength. Additionally, the hydraulic system has been enhanced to support a wide range of attachments, making this tractor versatile enough to handle different agricultural tasks. Whether it's pulling heavy plows, running seeding equipment, or transporting loads, this tractor delivers consistent and dependable performance. Another major advantage of the 9S425 is its eco-friendly engineering. Massey Ferguson has incorporated advanced exhaust treatment systems to comply with the latest environmental regulations. The tractor significantly reduces emissions without compromising power, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious farmers. The use of smart fuel management technology further enhances sustainability by optimizing fuel usage and reducing waste. Safety is also a top priority in the design of this tractor. The Massey Ferguson 9S425 comes with advanced safety features, including automatic braking, traction control, and rollover protection systems. LED lighting ensures excellent visibility during night operations, while high-resolution rear-view cameras enhance maneuverability in tight spaces. These safety enhancements provide peace of mind to operators working in demanding conditions. When it comes to maintenance, the 9S425 is designed for easy servicing. The tractor features an accessible engine bay with user-friendly service points, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Massey Ferguson has also introduced a proactive service monitoring system that alerts operators about upcoming maintenance needs, helping to prevent unexpected breakdowns and keeping the machine in top working condition. Overall, the 2025 Massey Ferguson 9S 425 is more than just a tractor, it's a powerhouse built for the future of farming. With its high-performance engine, smart technology, and robust design, this machine sets a new benchmark in agricultural equipment. Whether you're managing a small farm or running a large agricultural operation, this tractor is engineered to meet the toughest demands with efficiency and reliability. The combination of power, innovation, and sustainability makes the 9S 425 a must-have for anyone looking to maximize productivity in modern farming.